The time is 8:45 and I just woke up. It was raining the entire night and the sounds were making me get up in between, and so I didn't get a full night's sleep. Now it's finally quiet. In the morning, I think around 6:30 it stopped raining. Come, 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 come. For the first time in 5 days, electricity has gone. That means no Wi-Fi. But not to worry, we have mobile ka range over here. I mean, in all these days, it rained so heavily and the light didn't go, and now it went. I don't know. It's so random. Anyways, one issue we have now, which I showed yesterday, is the leaks on the roof. One is directly falling on the bed, so I've kept a plastic paper. See, this is water. And one or few drops over here and this area. And now we have to make a breakfast, which is a simple boiled potato bhaji. And for that we need one kanda, one onion, pyaz, aloo, batata, potato, one severely dried curry patta, curry leaves and green chili or hara mirchi. And all these, oh yeah, one more thing, rai. So with this we'll make a simple dish today. Cut the potatoes into pieces, probably 2 is fine. Put some salt and okay, keep it to boil. Cut some onions. You don't have to dice it, so it can be simple slice. Next, cut some green chilies, small pieces. Peel the potatoes once they are boiled and cooled. Take a pan and pour some oil into it, and then you can put some rai, and then the curry patta, and then goes the mirchi, then goes the onion. Once the onions are a little brown, and put salt, and then the main ingredient, haldi powder, and then you have to crush the boiled potato and put it inside. This is the final product, chapati and boiled potato bhaji. This is the raincoat I bought yesterday for 100 rupees. And I would like to wear this and show you. The only color available was pink, and this looks like a giant plastic bag for humans. I literally had no work in the second half, so I started editing my video for day 4, which is almost done, should be uploaded in 1 hour. And I had to shout because today the temple people are so happy. It's a long weekend and they have completely turned up the volume. Finally done editing, rendering and uploading the file. It was 22-minute long, so took a long time. This is the start of a long weekend and I'm going to Patrice Bar. It's a small and happening place in rural Arambol. Not actually rural, it's close to Arambol bus stop. But yeah, the cost of drinks over there is very less. It's almost, it was 40 rupees for 60 ml of Old Monk a few months ago when I was there. and the food is very good. So I am excited to go there. We are passing through the shortcut. It's good that we have the street lights, or sometimes we don't even have that, but it's still scary. You know what will be more scary? When I come back. I don't want to come back home. Oh my god. Now we have a situation. The whole place is full of water. I don't have that much courage. I think I'll go back. I just rented a scooter to go to Patras. Let's go. That's Patras, which is closed. So the waters were assigned to not come here. This is the main bus stand area of Arambol. So this is like the main Arambol, and if you take a left from here, you can go to the beach. I'll just sit in a bar which is open till 3 a.m. I'll just take you there. It's morning and I just had a night in Goa. Met a few interesting people.